Good morning students. Welcome to computer class of 9th standard. Today we will discuss chapter 8 mathematical library methods. As in the last video we have discussed package java.lang and various methods of math class, that is power, square root, cube root, ceil and floor. Today we will discuss some more methods, that is round, ABS means absolute, max, min and random function. The first method is round x, means it will accept only one argument. The match.roundx method returns the value of its argument rounded to the nearest int or long depending on the argument. Means you will accept the data in a decimal point and it will convert your data into nearest int or long. For example, if you have accepted a value that is 37.5, means your decimal part is 5 or above 5, then it will change your value to the nearest int or long value, that is 38. See the syntax: match.roundx. Argument type can be double or float. See the return type. If the argument is a double, that is 64 bits, the return type is long, that is also 64 bits, and if the argument is a float, the return type is int. The next function is ABS X. This ABS means absolute function that also accepts only one argument in the round bracket. The match.abs method returns the absolute value of the argument. Means if the argument is positive, the same argument is returned, and if the argument is negative, then it negates the value of the argument. Means your negative value will change into positive value. See the syntax: match.absx. Now argument type can be int, long, double or float. Means in any data type you can accept the argument. Now return type. The data type of the return value is same as the argument. Means in the same data type you will get your argument, that is your result. The next is max, that is maximum function. A comma b means the match.maxab returns the largest of the two arguments. Means it will accept the two arguments in the round bracket and from them it will give the largest value. See the syntax: match.max a comma b. Argument type can be int, long, float or double. Now return type. The data type of the return value is same as the argument. In whatever data type you will accept the argument, in the same data type you will get your result. The next is min function, means to find the minimum value from the two arguments. The match.min method returns the smallest of the two arguments. As max will find the maximum value from two arguments, same way min will find the minimum value from two arguments. See the syntax: match.min a comma b. Argument type can be int, long, float or double. Return type. The data type of the return value is same as the argument. In which data type you will accept the argument, in same data type you will get your result. The next method is random. The match.random method returns a double value, that is in the decimal point, greater than or equal to 0.0 and less than 1.0. Means whatever the value you will get as an answer, that is greater than 0.0 and it should be less than 1.0. See the syntax: match.random. Argument type no argument, you will accept no argument in the round bracket and return type is double. Means you will not enter any argument in the round bracket, but whenever you will execute the program, every time a new random number will be generated by the compiler. Means every time a new value you will get as an answer that is greater than or equal to 0.0 and less than 1.0. Now students, we will do the practical practice of all these methods in our BlueJ window. So now we will open our BlueJ window. So students, we will open the BlueJ window by clicking on Start button and BlueJ. Here we will click on New Class button and here we will write the class name, that is methods, and click on OK button. Now we will open our class by double clicking on it. Here we will press Ctrl+A to select the code and press the delete key. Now we will write our program, that is public class methods, enter, curly bracket start, public static void main, round bracket start, round bracket close, enter, curly bracket start. So here we are going to use our first function, that is round, that will accept only one argument. So we will write double x is equal to any value we can give, like I have written 46.4 semicolon, double result equal to math dot round, and in the round bracket we will write our argument, semicolon. See here we will write system dot out dot println double quote start, the result of round function is double quotes close plus the concatenation operator used to join the message and the result plus result, round bracket close, semicolon, enter, curly bracket close, and again one more curly bracket will be closed. Now we will click on the compile button to check the program for errors. Click on close button, right click on the class icon and click on the void main. Now see, the answer is, the result of round function is 46.0 because we have accepted a decimal value that is less than 5. So it will round the value to 46. So if we will accept the value that is 46.5, then it will change into long value, that is 47. Clear students? Now we will double click on the class icon and use the next function, that is absolute value. So here firstly our value is positive. Here we will write math.abs, only we will change the function name, and here we will write the result of absolute function is result. See, we will click on the compile button, click on close button, right click on the class icon and click on the void main. See, the result of absolute function is 46.4, means whatever value you have accepted, if your value is positive, same result you will get on the screen. So if we will change our argument into minus in absolute function, see what is the result you will get on the screen. Click on the compile button, click on close button, right click on the class icon and click on the void main. Now the result of absolute function is 46.4, means it will change your negative value into positive. Now we will use the next function, that is max. Now here we will take the two arguments. We can accept our value in any data type. So here we will write like long x is equal to 343 semicolon, long y is equal to 200, and here we will write math dot max x comma y, and data type also we will change here, that is long result, and the result of maximum function is result. So click on the compile button, click on close button, right click on the class icon and click on the void main. See, the result of maximum function is 343. It will give you the result out of two arguments, the largest value. Now in the same function we will use the minimum function. In the place of max we will write min. Here in place of maximum we will write minimum. The result of minimum function is plus result. Click on the compile button, click on close button, right click on the class icon and click on the void main. See, the result of minimum function is 200. Now we will use the last function, that is random. So we will open our program. As random function will not accept any argument, so we will delete all the arguments, and the data type of random function is double. So we will write double result is equal to math dot random. No argument is in the round bracket, and here we will write the result of random function is. Now see what result we will get. Click on the compile button, click on close button, right click on the class icon and click on the void main. The result of random function is 0.012533. So the system will generate any random integer that is greater than or equal to 0.0 and less than 1.0. This way we can use the different math function in a BlueJ window. Clear, students? So students, today we have discussed the various math function, that is round, ABS means absolute, max function, min function and random function. So students, do practical practice of the programs, use all these math function, revise the syntax and the function that we have discussed, and in the next video we will come with next topic. Thank you very much.